Good morning everyone, it's Sarah here and a very happy Friday for you. It is the 3rd of October here in Scotland and we are expecting a storm. It's supposed to be kicking off later on today, so I need to make sure that I get my horse in and protect her from the wind and the rain. I think it's got a name, I think it's Storm Amy it's called. I don't know whether it's going to be called Storm Amy or something to do with the tail end of the storm that's kind of coming over from America that was a hurricane. I think we're getting a bit of that. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Today's video is a flick through or a flip through of this Tandi Art cutout and collage Christmas ephemera book with whimsical holiday cutouts, and it's for junk journals, scrapbooking and DIY crafts. If you watched my video the other day, you will notice that I had bought this one and I made a few cards using this one. I've got them here actually. So I made that one, and that one. And I liked it that much that I went back onto Amazon, because it's Amazon where I got this one from, and that one. And I bought this one. So she's got two out. And I thought I would just do a little flick through with you. So I'm just going to take my time and go through it because I don't want to rush, because if I rush, then I talk fast, then I can't breathe. So let's just take our time and enjoy the book. So it's just single-sided pages with lots of little Christmassy elements that you can cut out and make cards with. I mean, that would be nice on a card. Maybe Christmas trees in the houses. Christmas trees are cute actually. And they've all got that one's got a wee bear hat on. It's like a wee snowman, a wee angel, and a wee reindeer. They're really cute. Snow globes. They're quite nice because you could add like stickles to these and make them sparkly. And little tags. These would be nice on little, you know how you get the little boxes that you can make up. I've got one that's a curvy keepsake box from Stampin' Up. I think they would be cute on that. And then we have more elements. These are cute. I like her wee dungarees. And a snow globe that you can decorate yourself. Of course, anything horses and ponies, and I'm all over it, so I really like this. And the wee pony at the bottom. Polar bears are cute, and the penguin's cute as well. More nice elements. These are just a nice size for a Christmas card. Cute wee snowman. Nice wee reindeer. These are a bit brighter. Cute as well, nice bows. I need to have a look and see what to do with these. I don't know how you cut these out and put something in it, or put stamp words on it, or... But they would be nice on the front of a card as well. Or even make it into a tag. And more. You're getting a good assortment. These are cute. And then a whole page if you wanted to do a collage on it. And then banners. Frames. They're cute. I like that wee snowman with his wee carrot nose. More elements. A big page. Some tags. These wee tags are cute along the bottom here, the wee stars. These are cute. It just shows you how easy that would be to make. I mean, I've got lace. I don't have the wee gold stars though, but I've got seam binding and more lace and old book paper and loads of words for cutting out and trees and candy canes and what have you. Some backgrounds. Oh, now this is my page. A page of ponies. How cute are they? And even more ponies. And then little reindeer. And this would be good if you wanted to make an advent calendar. Look, it's even got a wee unicorn on it. I like to be upside down bear. And it takes it all the way through to the 24th. So it's quite cute. These are nice. Nice little words for cutting out. More cute elements. Tags. Backgrounds. Words. More backgrounds. They're nice, eh? Wee cute faces with their wee cute hats on. And a nice wee background page. Snowmen. Wee girls. Wee fairy with a wee elf hat on. Some backgrounds. Some angels. A big collage page. And another. I might actually put that in a frame and hang it up in my craft room. Another big page. Another wee angel girl. And another. And another. And then you get a bonus page where you can colour it in yourself or collage bits and bobs on. So that was a flip through of the Tandi Art Cutout and Collage Christmas ephemera book. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to be enjoying making things with this. And I'm hopefully going to have some new projects up soon. I really miss making my card a day and posting that every day. But I might continue making a card, but not every day. You know, I'll just potter about, and when I'm in here I can make bits and bobs. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all very soon with more videos, more shorts, more posts, and try and grow my wee channel. So have a great weekend, everyone. If you're in the UK, stay safe in Storm Amy, and hopefully there's not too much damage done, because it's an amber warning for us here, so structural damage and what have you. Stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.